Hey guys, so this little video is just an introduction into the lesson Wolf Survival. Okay, so to start off, this is meant to, the purpose of this lesson is to have students gather data, analyze that data, and then use a little bit of math to interpret what that data is meaning and make some assumptions moving forward with that. Now, you're going to be creating a wolf population without human interference, and then one with human interference. And each one has a separate simulation rolling package with that. Okay, so make sure you use the without human interference for the without human table, and same with the with human interference. Okay, for this activity, you do need some dice. If you don't have any dice, this link right up here will actually take you to a YouTube video of dice that you just hit pause, and it rolls the dice for you. Okay, and you hit play and then pause and play and pause, etc. to get your dice. Okay, so let me go through and I'll delete my little example I gave in the previous class and just write down some hypothetical situations. Okay, so starting off, without human interference, we start the year with 2 wolves. Those wolves have 3 puppies. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, but that's at the beginning of the year. We still have the whole year left to go. So I'm gonna roll my dice. I roll my dice and I get dice add up to 4. So subtract 2. 2 of my wolves die of natural causes. So down here on what happened that year, I'm gonna say -2 wolves died. Sad day, right? So 5 minus 2 then, because I need to do this right here, 5 minus 2, at the end of the year, I ended up with 3 wolves, okay? Well, the following year, I'm gonna take that 3, I'm gonna put it right there. I have 3 wolves at the start of the next year. 3 plus 3 gives me 6, because I'm doing 3 plus 3, that gives me 6. I roll my dice again. This time I got dice add up to 5, no change. Pack lives well. So I'm just going to write no change. Okay, so that means at the end of the year, I still have 6 wolves. The following year, I have 6 wolves. 6 plus 3 gives me 9. Okay, then I roll my dice again. This time I got double 1. That's divide by 2. Disease kills half the pack. So I'm going to make a little note. Divide by 2. Half die. Very sad. Now, I do 9 divided by 2, but that's an odd number. So 9 divided by 2 gives me 4.5. But I can't have 0.5 of a wolf. In math, I'd round that up, right, to 5. But in biology, if I had half a wolf, that half a wolf probably isn't going to survive. So in this case, I'm actually going to round down, okay? And then the following year, I only have 4 wolves plus 3. That gives me 7, and I'd roll the dice and continue, okay? Now, the place where I see the most mistakes is in this column over here, okay? What you're doing in that column is writing down how the number of wolves changed from year to year. So for right here, I'm gonna take 6 minus 3, and that gives me 3, okay? At the end of the year, I had gained 3 wolves. Then the following year, I had 4 minus 6, well, that gives me -2 wolves. Okay, and I'm going to go through, I'm going to calculate all of that for this entire column, okay? And then back on the assignment, right, there we go. On the analysis page, it says, what is the average increase of wolves each year without human interference? So I come back over to here, and I look this over, and I add together all the numbers in this column, okay? For example, 3 plus -2 is 1, right? Because when you add a negative, you're subtracting that number, okay? But I add all those numbers together, and then I divide by 11 to get my average, because I am only going to do this, fill out this column 11 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I fill that out 11 times to actually get my average for this question here, okay? As always, if you have any questions, need any help, please feel free to shoot me an email, and I'll do what I can to help you. Thanks. Have a great day.